so nice the kitchen. We're gonna to harvest some rosemary for my hair again. So lagi panen rosemary ini buat rambut, buat masak. It's nice. We take this one first ya. Look at that guys, nice ya. So big already the rosemary. Jadi ini mau dibikin buat rambut ya. Nice flower. We have to cut it small. A lot of rosemary guys. There's a lot of rosemary. We're gonna to wash it and then boil it. Okay, let's go. Bersih dia, and the water you can use for the water the plant. Gonna boil for 20 minutes. You know the smell is so good, so fragrant. Smells so nice the kitchen. This rosemary. Just leave it for 20 minutes. Slow fire guys. Okay. Okay, off the fire guys. Off the fire is already 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Look like this. Just cover, and 1 hour later we're gonna to put it in the bottle. That guys. Direct spray to your hair and